Let's talk about capacity cost. Now, what is capacity cost? It's an expenditure or cost incurred by a company in order to expand its business operations. For example, I am a company and I want to expand my business. Obviously, if I want to expand my business, I need certain expenditure on the cost which is required for me to set up the business. Now, the expenditure made to provide certain volume of goods and services to the customer. It's a fixed cost which is required to increase an organization's capacity to produce products and services. They remain constant even when the level of output varies. So basically, it's the minimum requirement for a business to function. For example, if I have 5 employees working in my office, I need 5 desk chairs, basic stationery, computer, lighting, fans. Now these are the things which are the basic requirement. These are the fixed costs which will remain constant. Whether my 5 employees are coming or not, I have to spend at least this amount of minimum money on creating the infrastructure, basic infrastructure, the fixed cost to get my business running. And this is called capacity cost. For example, factories to produce more goods, data centers to produce more services, and retail locations to sell more products. You need to set up infrastructure, you need to invest, you need to put in the fixed amount of money for the fixed asset. Now, a company may operate a production line on 3 shifts in order to provide goods to its customer in a timely manner. As I gave you the example of 5 people office, I may get huge orders, so I have to allow 2 or 3 more shifts to work using the same office premise, right? So my fixed cost is the same. However, I'm improving or increasing my production twice by bringing in 2 more shifts. So now there are 3 shifts. Earlier only 1 shift used to be there. So this is called capacity cost. So each successive shift constitutes an incremental capacity cost. So if the company wishes to reduce its cost structure, it can eliminate a shift. Though doing so, it will reduce its capacity. So if I want to reduce my cost structure, I can remove or reduce 1 shift. So I only have to pay expenditure for 2 shifts. What are the benefits of capacity cost, or you can say features? It helps an expansion. So this part of a company expenditure is intended to help expansion and increase activities for establishment of premises from where the business operations can be conducted. So I hope this part is absolutely clear. So this is the expenditure which the company is making in order to establish a premise, set up a basic infrastructure for running the business. It is difficult to avoid such because costs like insurance, rent payments, property tax, depreciation on equipment, etc. is something which you will have to pay anyways, whether your business runs or not, right? Well, these can be avoided or minimized only by shutting down the business or outsourcing the services. So if I want to reduce my capacity cost, I can remove my shift, I can reduce the number of people working in different shifts. So that's one way to reduce it, right?